Every person is born with certain unique abilities, but in Vedic astrology, some abilities go beyond the ordinary. Some nakshatras give you rare, almost supernatural abilities. Today, we'll explore the 3 out of 27 nakshatras that grant people unique powers, things that might already be happening in your life without you realizing it. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately sensed who you could trust, who would be a friend and who wouldn't? That's a Shlesha nakshatra at work. People with this placement have an incentive so sharp, an instinct. They don't need words or explanations. They just know. This is the same ability that snakes have, detecting natural disasters before they happen. Snakes can detect an earthquake months before it happening. Shlesha people sense shifts in energy long before anyone else. And then there's their presence. They just don't read people. They influence them. It takes only 5 seconds for them to make someone see things their way. Their energy is sharp, intense, and hard to ignore, just like the gaze of a serpent. By gazing in a person's eyes for 5 seconds, they gain control or an influence over them to do as they please. People with Uttara Bhadrapada don't just connect with nature, they affect it. Think about your life for a moment. Have you noticed that when you're happy, the weather around you seems brighter, sunnier? But when you're feeling low, the skies turn gray, the rain starts falling, or the air gets colder. This isn't a coincidence. Uttara Bhadrapada people are deeply connected to the elements. They have a natural tie to spirituality, meditation, and Kundalini energy. Their emotions don't just stay inside, they ripple into the world around them. This is why people with this nakshatra are often drawn to deep spiritual practices. Their energy is strong enough to change things, even the weather itself. Some people don't have to try to be attractive, they just are. That's Rohini Nakshatra. These people have a natural magnetism that makes them stand out. It's just not about looks, it's about their energy. Their presence is elegant, refined, and effortlessly seductive. Rohini is ruled by Venus, the planet of beauty, love, and sensuality. It's no surprise that they are some of the most desirable lovers. Not just in appearance, but in how they connect with people. And they make really great physical lovers too. They naturally understand romance, pleasure, and how to keep someone's attention. Even in public life, they have a charm that makes them seem important, like someone you should be paying attention to. They carry the energy of attraction wherever they go. These are just 3 examples. Just 1/3, even less, of the powerful gifts found in Vedic astrology for each of these 3 nakshatras. But there are 27 other nakshatras, and people have around 7 to 9 nakshatras activated in their chart. But here's the thing. Every nakshatra has its own abilities. We didn't even cover all of the strengths these 3 nakshatras give you, let alone the others. If you want to find out what's hidden in your Vedic astrology chart, click the link in the description to register today. And there's free classes every Wednesday for you to register in the description as well. Thanks for watching.